My name is Rick and my shop's location is in Chilliwack. I've been fixing vehicles for as long as I can remember, at least from when I was able to drive, out of necessity for keeping them running. I enjoy dealing with the people and at the end of the day have a good feeling of accomplishing something. Our shop offers an abundance of services from oil changes, tune-ups, exhaust and brakes of course, tires, suspension work, electrical, diagnostics, just about everything but AC. I've got 2 employees. One happens to be my son, and between the 3 of us, we can produce. I think what brings our customers back is the friendly staff, the fact that we do the job right the first time. We bend over backwards trying to, accommodate people as far as time frame goes for repair and of course cost. We'll stand behind what we do. We offer lifetime guarantee on a lot of the services we do, and we do it fast, we do it friendly.